This is how you make Beef Hofun. Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to make Beef Hofun. This is a Cantonese staple that's simple but delicious. It requires some good execution and technique, and I'm going to take you through step by step how to make this dish. Let's go. So what we need to do first is we need to prep the beef. At restaurants we use rump or topside. Today I've got some rump. Rump steak is good for quick frying, but it can be a bit tough, so we need to marinate it properly. Give your steak a quick wash. Remove the fatty areas because they're quite hard to chew. What you need to do is you need to slice against the grain. I'm going to start from here. I'm going to go diagonally a bit so the pieces turn out a bit bigger. And if you have a side piece, you can just trim it out like this and halve it, because once you marinate your beef, it becomes thicker and bigger in size. So the grain goes this way and you need to slice it this way. The big piece, since it's a steak, we can leave the fat, it'll be extra flavorful. The grain is going this way, so we need to slice this way. Now I'm going to teach you how to marinate this beef. Salt, half a teaspoon. Sugar, half a teaspoon. Sesame oil, 1 round. White pepper. Some soda, just a very small amount. 1 egg white, some water. Give your beef a mix. Add some potato starch, about 1 tablespoon. This is going to thicken the beef. What you want is you want a sticky texture. Add some more if you need, and when you fry it in oil, it will expand. Finish it off with some oil. This will lock the flavors in place. And there you have it guys, some nice velveted beef. Let that marinate for about 10-15 minutes. So the ingredients are quite simple really. Get yourself a bag of Hofun from Chinese supermarkets, and what we're going to do is we're going to microwave it. Get yourself some bean sprouts, a small handful is enough, some onions sliced, and some spring onions also sliced, and that's all we're gonna need. So the Hofun has been microwaved. It took 2 minutes actually, as you can see, nice and soft. So what you need to do to open it up, let it cool down for a minute or two. It is very hot. Give it another minute. So now the Hofun's cooled down a bit, we're gonna start peeling it slowly. Make sure they're individually separated. That's the secret to a good beef chow fun. The key is to be patient. It's starting to open up now. Just a few more strands. And there you have it guys. After 2 minutes, you have some nicely peeled Hofun ready for stir frying. So this is all ingredients we need. We have the vegetables, the beef, and the Hofun. Heat up your wok. Oil. Beef. Turn off the heat, let it cook. Back on high heat, separate the beef, add a bit more oil. That's ready. Wash. Back on high heat. Oil. Bean sprouts and onions. Alright guys, let's go. Start off by frying the vegetables. Bring out all those flavors in the bean sprouts and the onions. Hofun. So here we're trying to generate some heat within the Hofun, creating wok hei. The aim of this step is to slowly but surely make sure your Hofun becomes very hot. Add a touch of water. Adding a bit of water will help loosen up your Hofun and heat it up even quicker. If you ever see your Hofun being quite dry, just add some water. As you can see, a lot of white smoke is now forming, meaning the Hofun is getting quite hot now. Dark soy sauce. Spin the wok quickly. Making sure the Hofun is thoroughly coated in the soy sauce, otherwise the Hofun will start to stick. MSG. Oyster sauce. Mix everything well together. Beef. Dark soy. This is the final part of the stir frying process, where you have already put in everything and it's just mixing everything together now on high heat. Finish off with some light soy sauce and we're ready to serve. The beef is nice and soft, simple but delicious. Great with some chili oil. So there you have it guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.